today's chapter is 2.6 chasing the sea monster, and it's adopted. Yes, this lesson is adopted from the novel 20,000 Leagues Under the Sea, and it's written by Jules Verne. Okay, and he was a French writer who is known as the father of science fiction, and his own popular novels are Journey to the Center of the Earth and Around the World in 80 Days. Both are his popular novels, which are Journey to the Center of the Earth. Okay, and next one is Around the World in 80 Days. Okay, the story is an untiring chase between a warship and a submarine. Okay, it's a story. It's a untiring. It's a story. Is an untiring chase between warship and submarine. Okay, submarine is also a fish. Okay, it's a kind of ship. Okay, submarine is also a kind of ship that runs underwater. Okay, now see, it is narrated by, the story is narrated by Professor Aronnax. Okay, the narrator along with Commander Farragut. Okay, commander is Farragut, Ned Land, and other crew members. Okay, crew members means the people who are living on the ship. Okay, mistook a submarine for a large and fearsome sea animal. Okay, they understood that it is a fearsome animal, sea animal. At the beginning of the story, the monster tried to challenge the warship, okay, which made the people on the ship stay up all night, and they set up the fighting gear to deal with it. Okay, they chased the animal but found it difficult to match its speed. Okay, after multiple failed attempts to defeat the monster, that ship, Ned Land finally launched the harpoon. Okay, harpoon. Then the harpoon made a ringing sound as it hit a hard surface, and attack resulted in an ugly clash between the submarine and the warship. Due to his clash, water spouts crashed onto the ship, destroying it, and the crew members lost their balance, and the professor got thrown into the sea. Okay, this is the story. Now see, now we are going to see the story. Okay, our frigate. Frigate means, you know that it's also a ship. Okay, frigate wanted to go back. Okay, the frigate wanted to go back. That ship wanted to go back. Okay, frigate, we can also say that the ship which we use for the war. Okay, our frigate wanted to go back, but an unearthly. Okay, unearthly means strange, not like those found on earth. Okay, means not like that animal which found on earth. Okay, but the unearthly animal came at us with a speed double our own. Okay, means whatever the speed of that frigate, the speed of that animals was double. Okay, we gasp. We gasp. Gasp means what? We gasp means we stun. Okay, me, or we can say that catch one's breath. Okay, so see, we gasp, more stun. More stun means what? Shocked than afraid. We stood mute and motionless. Okay, so see, the animal caught up with us, played with us. It made a full circle around the frigate and wrapped us in sheet of electricity that were like luminous dust. Okay, luminous means bright, light in color. Okay, so see here, what they understood, that the animal, okay, yes, the animal caught them. Okay, and the animal was playing with them. Okay, it made, that animal made a full circle around the frigate and wrapped us in sheet of electricity that were like a luminous dust. Okay, at any instant it could have dashed against our ship, and they thought that that animal will dash their ship, their frigate. Meanwhile, I surprised to see that a warship was fleeing, not fighting. Okay, means yes, he is narrating further that in between, okay, meanwhile, he was surprised to see that the warship, that frigate, was fleeing. What is the meaning of fleeing here? Fleeing means running away, not fighting. Yes, he found that the warship was running away, but it's not fighting. I commented on this to the commander Farragut. Yes, there was a commander on ship. Okay, and he commented to the commander Farragut. His face, ordinarily so emotionless, showed great astonishment. Okay, means that that commander also, yes, on his face he is also looking. He is yes, his face also showing concern about the thing. Okay, now see, Professor Aronnax, he answered me, I don't know what kind of fearsome creature I am up against. Don't want my frigate running foolish risks in all this darkness. Okay, so see, Professor Aronnax, okay, he answered that I don't want to, yes, I don't want I don't want my frigate, my ship running foolish risks. Means I don't want to take any risk. Okay, I don't want to take any risk. Okay, in all this darkness, because it was a time of night. Okay, it was a time of night. So he told that he do not want to take any risk. Okay, any foolish risk. Okay, so he say further, I don't know what kind of fearsome. Fearsome means scary or frightening. Okay, I don't know what kind of fearsome creature I am up against. Professor Aronnax, he answered the commander, okay, I don't know what kind of fearsome, what kind of scary or frightening creature. Okay, creature means an animal. Okay, as a distinct from a human being. Okay, it's an animal. Creature means animal. Okay, so yes, I don't know what kind of fearsome, scary creature I am up against. Okay, means I don't know. Yes, I don't know what kind of fearsome creatures against us. I don't know want my frigate. I don't want my frigate running foolish risk in all this darkness. Means in this darkness, I don't want to take any risk. Besides, how should we attack this unknown creature? How should we defend ourselves against it? Okay, so further he said that how should we attack to that animal, on that animal? Okay, how should we defend ourselves against to the animal? Let's wait for daylight and then we will play a different role. Okay, who said that? Professor Aronnax. Okay, now the whole crew means that ship, okay, stay on their feet all night long. No one even thought of sleeping. Means no one were sleep on that ship, unable to compete with the monster's speed. Means that monster, okay, whatever they have whatever they have thought that it is an animal. Okay, the speed of that animal is very yes, it was very speedy. It was double than frigate. Okay, so they thought that we are unable to compete the speed of that monster. Okay, yes, monster speed, our frigate, the Abraham Lincoln, slowed down. Okay, so what is the name of that frigate? That is Abraham Lincoln. Okay, so it's the name of that frigate, and it was slow than monster speed. Okay, for its part, the animal mimicked the frigate, simply rode with the waves, but did not leave the fields of battle. Okay, means that ship, okay, that animals mimic the frigate. Okay, for its part, the animal mimic means copied the style of frigate. Okay, copy the style of frigate, copy the style of ship. Okay, so that animal, okay, that animal was also copied the style of the frigate. Okay, simply rode with the waves but did not leave the battlefield. Okay, means that animals did not move anywhere from that place. Okay, it was mimic, it was copy the style of frigate. Okay, means wherever the ship, wherever the frigate was moving, at that direction the that monster was also moving. It was copied the style of frigate. Okay, however, near midnight it disappeared. Okay, means in the midnight it disappeared, or to use a more appropriate expressions, it went out. Okay, like a huge glowworm. Glowworm is not insect that emits light in the night. Okay, so after some time it's disappeared, and they thought that it will show us more expressions. Okay, and for that it's went from here. Okay, had it fled from us, we didn't know, and were filled with fear and hope at the same time. Means they don't know, they didn't understand anything. Okay, but after some time, and after 12:53, okay, yes, at this time, yes, but at 12:53, a deafening hiss could be heard. Okay, means some kind of yes, some kind of voice, some kind of sound they heard. Yes, on which time? On 12:53. Okay, means near 1 o'clock. Okay, resembling the sound made by a water spout expel with tremendous intensity. Okay, they heard a different kind of voice, they heard a different kind of sound. Okay, by a water spout. Students,